Hi friends, this is Viresh Chapte once again. Uh, After these three videos, I am going to uploading today HDFS commands. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the HDFS commands. You will need to manage files on HDFS actually. HDFS command is used to most of the times when working with Hadoop file system, and it includes various shell-like commands that directly interact with the Hadoop distributed file system as well as other file system that Hadoop supports. So we'll proceed towards the commands. Okay, so the first step what we used to do is to go to HD user what we have created, right? And then we have to start the services processes. Let's go with start dfs.sh. Hadoop is already installed here, so we are just starting the services distributed file system and yarn. So first we are starting with the dfs, which will start the name node, data node, and secondary name node, and then we have to start the yarn. So command for same is start dash dash yarn dot sh. So it will start the yarn, means node manager and resource manager. Then we have to check it by JPS that all processes are working or not. So these 5 processes are working, means your what you can say, uh, Hadoop is started properly. So I will clear this particular thing. Then we will go to user local. Okay. Okay, so now what we have to do is in this video I'm going to show you 15 commands. So there are 30 commands, so I'm making video in two parts, part 1 and part 2. So in first part we are going to see 15 commands. So first command what we have is, if you want to check the version of your Hadoop, then how you will check? So answer is, by this command you can check the Hadoop version. Here you can see that Hadoop 2.9.0 it is showing. So it is showing the version of your Hadoop. Then we have one more command, second command, that to list out the files and directories, right? So likewise in Linux we have the same command here, but the construction is different. So normally you used to do ls, but here what I'm doing is -ls, and this is particular. From here my HDFS is starting, so I have some of files here, fb system viresh 123456789 and all, right? So this way you can check it out, the listing of files. Third command what we have is a df command. So it will display the free space at given HDFS destination. So command for the same is HDFS dfs hyphen df HDFS colon slash. So you can see here free space, available space at your location. So that much area you can occupy in your hard disk or your your HDFS, right? So this is the file system, and this is size and used, and this is available, right? So use is almost 0, so I have only one file here, and the memory of the same is very much low, so that's why it is not showing much memory. So fourth command what we have is count command. Count command will count the number of directories, files, and bytes under the paths that match the specified file pattern, you can say. So command for the same is HDFS dfs hyphen count HDFS colon slash. Yeah. So you can see here 7 files I have, and that is giving a count of the same. So this is how you can check the count. Next, if you wish to check the health of your Hadoop file system, right? So with the help of HDFS you can check the health. means your HDFS is going properly or not, maintaining all the data or not, or means it is healthy or it is good in health or not, right? So it will check some aspects. We'll see that aspects later, but just check it out how you can check the health of your Hadoop. So FSCK, HDFS FSCK. So it is going to give you much detail, and at the end it will show you that yes, it is healthy. So I need to check it once again. Yeah. Okay. So it is showing folders, directories what I have created. So I have 4 files, 7 directories. This is total size of my HDFS. So likewise I'm adding in last command you got that how much what you can say available space you have here. But here you can see that the file system under path slash is healthy. So it is going properly, right? So health is okay. So now we are proceeding towards sixth command, that is balancer command, which will this command will run a cluster balancing utility. So you don't need to worry much a lot about the same, because it is single node cluster. So command is very easy, balancer. Yep. So it is running the balancing balancer utility. Seventh command what we have is mkdir. So in local Linux file system we used to type sudo mkdir. So likewise we are proceeding with HDFS DFS hyphen. If you notice, for each command we are adding a hyphen before it. So this one you can say. So now I'm adding one directory. So suppose it will be zeal. Yeah. So it is added. How you can see HDFS DFS hyphen ls. Oh, sorry, hyphen ls. Here you can see zeal is added. We have created the directory. You can add files into zeal also, so you can, right? So next command, eighth command is put command, which we use for copy file from single source or multiple sources from local file system to the destination file system. So here what I have to do is if I'm using put, then I need to check it out on desktop. What I have, I have facebook.csv, right? So I will this is on local machine, so I will upload it on the HDFS, right? So we will start. So command for the same is HDFS DFS hyphen put. Now you have to put the local what you can say path of that particular file. So path was home, the cp desktop, and then I think Facebook, right? Facebook.csv. So where I have to shift it, I have to shift it in zeal. Then yeah, that's it, in zeal only. Or I will give some name, zeal 1 2 3. Okay, let's check it out if it is it is not there. Zeal 123 is created, but let's check it out. Okay. 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 This will be. This will. Yeah. File exist. Right. This particular file is existing here. So in this way you can add use a put command. So HDFS command to copy a directory from single source or multiple sources from local file system to the destination file systems, right? So next command, ninth command what we have is du. Du means it displays size of files and directories contained in the given directory, right? So if you are targeting some directory, then it will give you the size used by that file and directory. So command for the same is HDFS DFS hyphen du, and then slash. So whole directory wise it is giving me the size. So you can see here in FB I have this particular file, CSV file. In zeal also I think I have 2 files, so that's why it is greater, right? So likewise you can do the same thing. So now we are proceeding towards the 10th command, 10th command, that is remove, right? So likewise you remove data in Linux, you use rm. So here we are using -rm. So there are two commands. We will see the first, remove hdfs, dfs. Now I have to remove. So for removing, I have created some directories. So I am removing viresh only, right? So we have viresh 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, we will delete the 7 8 9. Viresh 7 8 9. Okay, okay, let's check it out again. Okay, here you can see ls. Yeah, that is not deleted actually, so I need to add it once again. Yeah, okay, okay, sorry, yeah, it is for file actually. So hdfs dfs hyphen rm. So in zeal I have added 1 2 3, so I will delete the same zeal. Let's check it out. Deleted, you can see here it is showing deleted, so you are deleting the file actually. So again we'll check it out. You will see here zeal is there, but 1 2 3 is not there. So ls, you can see here in zeal there is nothing existed, only facebook.csv is there, right? Okay, then we will use the 11th command. It is expunge. This particular command that makes the trash empty, as simple as that. So command is very much simple. hdfs, I don't want to delete my empty my trash, so I'm just showing you the command here. dfs hyphen expunge, expunge, right? So you can fire this command. So it will remove your what you can say, uh, trash. 12th command what we have is remove again, but it is for entire directory in hdfs, right? So command for the same is hdfs dfs. If you remember, we did rm, then here we have to add that -r, right? And then you can put, now I can put zeal only, so it will deleted zeal directly, right? So before that I had zeal, in that I had facebook.csv, but now I have deleted zeal, whole zeal is deleted. So you can see here, you can see here, you can't see zeal now, right? So there is no zeal, it is deleted by rm hyphen rm r command, right? The third command what we have is what you can say, chmod. It will change the permissions of file. So same command what we use here is hdfs dfs, again chmod hyphen and 777 all access. Then I am giving access to, suppose viresh 789, right? So that is giving access. So likewise you can do the access and also check it out. ls, yes, always you can check it out. So viresh 789 have all access here. Here you can check it out. I had given to what, 777 to viresh 789, and viresh 789 have all the access. Okay, then we will proceed towards the get command. Get command, 14th command we are going to see. It is command to copy files from hdfs to local system, right? So I need to check it out where I have files. So I need to find it out. hdfs dfs hyphen ls hyphen fb. So I can see here I have facebook.csv. So I have to copy this particular file to the local machine, right? So I can copy it on desktop. So I have to change here the desktop name also. Let me change the name. So it is facebook 123. I can do, okay, okay, it is facebook 123. Okay, so I'm changing the name now. So the command for the same is hdfs dfs hyphen get. Now I have to write the address, that fp and slash facebook I'm shifting. Oh, something is wrong. Yeah. So cp l2 then desktop. Okay, so directly on desktop it can get copied. Okay, let's check it out. Permission denied. Okay, if permission denied, then it means that you haven't given the ownership to that particular file, so you can skip it. But remember this command. In likewise, in this way you can copy the data on HDFS to data on local machine, right? So this way you can proceed. The 15th command what we have is cat command. This command we use to copy source path to the stdout, right? So command is very simple. I'm not interested to apply on my terminal now, because I'm just showing you what is command. So it's hyphen cat, right? Likewise you can add the address here, dot csv. This path can copy to the source path to the stdout, right? So in next video we are going to see the remaining 15 commands. Till then you can practice it, and if you like the video then you can subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you, friends.